Hey ItsJish and welcome back to another video. Today in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to have custom Discord emotes in your Discord server. So what you want to do is find an image which you would like to put on your Discord server. So the image which I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Kappa emote from Twitch. So what you want to do is save the file. So right click, save image as, choose where you want to save it. I'm gonna add the Kappa again. So once you've saved it, you hop over to Discord. So guys, once you come over to Discord, you need to click server settings. Then you go down to where it says emoji, click it. Then click the big blue button which says upload emoji. Then you want to find exactly where you saved the image. Mine is in here. Find a Kappa. And you can upload any emote as long as the file is under 256 kilobytes. It can be anything, but however it cannot be a GIF. That is only available for Nitro members. So now as you come down here, to use it you gotta do :Kappa2 : but I'm just gonna change it to :Kappa : So you see, these are all the emotes I've got on my Discord server. I have got 5 custom ones. There's meant to be eyes on that one, but you can't really see them. If I had Discord Nitro, I could have 100 emotes in total, 50 non-animated and 50 animated. That is really cool, but if you guys would like some of them, make sure to join my Discord server because I need people to actually use these emotes. So you can literally name this whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it Kappa. And then if we go down to testing, then you can see if I do :Kappa : press enter, it appears right here. I can also do it in the middle of text. Hey guys, it's :Kappa : and then it gets it smaller. That is literally how you do this, guys. If you would like to do any animated emojis, guys, it's literally the exact same thing. Server settings, emoji, upload emoji, but then you gotta use a animated GIF. But yeah, that is literally how you guys would do that. If you'd like more Discord tutorials, or any tutorials in fact, make sure to smash that like button and tell me down in the comments below which tutorials you would like, and I'll be sure to get those for you. Also, make sure to join my Discord server because I've got some amazing custom emotes coming out soon. Also, some amazing pieces of content coming out soon, and you'll be notified as soon as the videos go live. And that's when I'm live on Twitch as well. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!